Welcome to Vansik Maths. This is a Kcse 2024 question 21. It was about matrices. Remember to subscribe. So the question, we have two matrices P and Q are such that P 3, 7, H4 and Q 5, negative 4, 3, negative 2. The determinant of PQ is 3. For the first part, determine the value of H. So we are going to multiply P and Q, matrix P and Q, which are 2 by 2 matrix. Then we find the determinant of the product PQ, which is 3, so that we can get the value of H. So we shall start with the PQ, matrix PQ. So you have 3, 7, H4 multiplied by 5, negative 4, 3, negative 2. So we know when you multiply matrices, we have row multiply by the column. So this one will give you 15 plus 21, we shall get 36. Then this one will give you negative 12. Then we have negative 14, we have negative 26. Then we have 5H plus 12. So we have 5H plus 12. Then this one we shall have negative 4H, and we have negative 8. So plus negative 8. So you are being told that this matrix, the determinant is 3. So we all know how to get the determinant. We take the main diagonal minus the less diagonal. So the main diagonal here, I have 36 multiplied by negative 4H minus 8. Then you have minus the less diagonal, we have negative 26 multiplied by 5H plus 12. So when we expand negative 36 times negative 4H, we are going to get negative 144H. Then 36 times negative 8, we have negative 288. And you have minus into brackets negative 26 times 5, we have negative 130, but we have H. Negative 26 times 12, we are going to get negative 312. So you can open up this bracket, so it will be negative 144 H minus 288. Negative and negative becomes positive 130 H. Then we have plus 312. This determinant is equals to 3. Can you collect the like terms? So we have 130H positive and negative 144 will get negative 14H, negative 288. Then you have 312. When we add the 2, we shall get positive 24 equals to 3. So we shall have negative 14H is equals to this one to this other side becomes minus 24. So we'll have minus 21. So our value of H will be negative 21 over negative 14, which is here, and this becomes positive. So 7 here, 3, 7 here, 2. So H is 3 over 2. So the next part, find P inverse, the inverse of matrix P. So P inverse, so you come and replace the value of H. So matrix P, which is 3, 7, then h is 3 over 2, then you have 4. So you find the determinant. Main diagonal minus the less diagonal, so which is 3 multiplied by 4 minus 3 over 2 times 7, which is 12 minus 21 over 2. This is LCM is 2. To here we have 24 minus 21, which is 3 over 2. Determinant is 3 over 2. So P inverse will be 3 over 2, 1 over determinant, then multiply by the main diagonal, you interchange, so you have 4, 3. Then the less diagonal, you have introduce negative 3 over 2, then you have negative 7. So up to there you have the inverse of the matrix. It is 2 marks. Then we move on. Part B, Patel and Langat purchased watches at M shillings per watch and phones at N shillings per phone. Patel purchased 12 watches and 28 phones for this amount of money. Langat purchased 15 watches and 40 phones for 34,500. Form 2 equations in M and N. So you are being told that M represents watch, then N represents phones. So Patel bought 12 watches, so 12 times M plus 28 phones at a total price of 24,600. Then Langat purchased 15 watches plus 40 at a total price of 34,500. So up to here you have formed your 2 equations. So they've said use the matrix method to determine the price of a watch and that of a phone. So we can write this one in terms of matrix. So we have 12, 28, 15, 40, then multiply by M, N, which will give you 24,600, 34,500. So you start by finding the determinant of this matrix, which eventually we shall get the inverse. So main diagonal, find the determinant. We have 40 times 12 minus 15 times 28. So 40 multiplied by 12, this one will give you 480 minus 28 multiplied by 15, that one will give you 420. So you have 60. Our determinant is 60. So we get the inverse. For the inverse, it is 1 over determinant, then multiply by this one, main diagonal interchanges. So you have 40, 12, these are the one becomes negative, multiply by negative 1, negative 28, negative 15. Then now you come and multiply by the determinant on both sides. So we shall have this one, if you simplify, we shall have 40 over 60, negative 15 over 60, negative 28 over 60, 12 over 60. So you multiply on both sides, So I have 40 over 60, negative 28 over 60, negative 15 over 60, 12 over 60. For this matrix, multiply by 12, 28, 15, 40. Then you have mn equals to, again multiply by the inverse, again the inverse here. Start with the inverse, 40 over 60, negative 28 over 60, negative 15 over 60, 12 over 60, then times. Now you have 24, 600, then you have 34, 500. So these two will give you an identity matrix, which will be 1, 0, 0, 1, multiplied by m, n. Then this other side, now we take the row, multiply by the column, which if you want the value of m, now the value of m, now the row, it will be 40 over 60, multiply by 24,600 plus negative 28 over 60, multiply by 34,500. Then the value of n will be negative 15 over 60, multiply by 24,600 plus 12 over 60, multiply by 34,500. Then you get the value of or the price of a watch and the price of a phone.